Imagine a world where beloved cartoon characters faced real-world consequences for their on-screen antics. In Italy, Mickey Mouse's whimsical use of magic could lead to dire repercussions under the country's strict legal system. Picture Mickey, ever the charming sorcerer, conjuring spells in the heart of Rome, only to be caught by the Carabinieri. Under Italian law, unauthorized use of magic or supernatural powers could be interpreted as a violation of public safety and order, landing our favorite mouse behind bars for several years. As the courtroom drama unfolds, the prosecutor argues that Mickey's magical escapades endangered countless civilians, painting a stark picture of a beloved icon now facing a grim reality. The tension escalates as the judge deliberates, and the gavel finally drops, leaving fans worldwide in disbelief at the harsh punishment meted out to their childhood hero.